Hi everyone, welcome back in my channel. It's the 19th of December, we are so close to Christmas. This is the last Christmas card video I upload before the holiday. In today's video, I will make a snowy forest scene Christmas card with cheap dies, which was bought from eBay. In my previous video, you could see how to use it if you want to have a city scene. I put a link in the description box where you can find the dies to buy. For this card I use a brown background. I cut it in the right size and I make white splashes using white tempera or gouache, thinning it with water. The die set comes with 5 types of building, 4 sizes of pine trees, clouds and stars, a fence and a vintage street lamp. For this project I cut out one of the houses and a lot of pine trees in every size. To make a white snowy landscape, I use my white cardstock, make some measure and simply cut it freehand by scissors. I make some contrast using brown ink pad and a brush. When I have my slopes, I stick a background paper under the house. Here you can see why is this important. With this technique you can hide what is in the background and your house won't be transparent. I made my composition, figure out how it would be the best. Then I used liquid adhesive to fix the pieces to the card. I glue them piece by piece. Then I use double-sided glue tape to stick the brown background to the card base. Here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you for being here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Wish you have a wonderful period of time.